see Uncle Sam, then I fly away with that face Mary Ann. Even if I think they wanna know my mind, but there's a place when I can make them blind.
I'm no one for them, not a special place. They can feel my breath, but they are losing my trace. Thanks a lot like me, and it's time to be united and show them what together means. We are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us, we are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us. Undercover, I can say what I think. I let you write it down with indelibility. No, it isn't a street, my moves I call them day. And my account is blocked if I don't fit into the chain. When I give my friends a call, one minute or a stand, I surely didn't know that with the wall in my hand. Like a 24, every minute is getting late. I know the final master plan. I'm the enemy of the state. We are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us, we are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us.
Is anonymous. You are anonymous.
Me.
Your parents are anonymous. Your brothers and sisters and friends are anonymous.
I regard myself as a soldier, though a soldier of peace.
We are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us, we are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us. Don't solve the problem with gun, use your clicks. Protest against the silence of the elites.
Big brothers everywhere, burying so many now around the world. The meaning of the word freedom remains the same.
They won't even sing the space with no lows. They wanted you and me get out of that clothes. We can't have a thing without getting attacked. Here we go, here we are, it's time for payback. We are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us, we are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us, we are anonymous, we legend, we don't forget. We are anonymous, we don't forget. Expect us.
Politicians are put there to give you the idea that you have freedom of choice. You don't. You have no choice. You have owners. They own you.
Illuminati, you've come to take control. You can take my heartbeat, but you can break my soul. We all shall be free.
Well-educated people capable of critical thinking. They're not interested in that. That doesn't help them.
Illuminati, you'll never take control. Your new world order will lead to none at all. We all shall be free.
Open up your eyes, wake the fuck up, America. Elite control your lives with fear, just scaring you with terror on your screen, telling you what to believe. But who benefits from panic, hunger, and greed? Yo, that's how they feed upon the masses like a fucking disease. The only answer is to rise up, get up off your fucking knees. Tap into your inner being like a 33rd degree. I'm planting mental seeds for men to break free of an evil greed. You can't see, cause you ain't believing me, but I'm telling thee that television ain't true. Just professionally manufacturing a fallacy, imbalancing your talents. We tragically waiting for things to fucking change magically and mystically. Rewrite our fucking history. This ain't no bullshit mystery. Unlock the prison with the key. It's in your mind as the boss to see.
Illuminati, you've come to take control. You can take my heartbeat,
subsidize illness in America. They have to. There's too much money in it.